Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send a voice message on Discord. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, all you gotta do is simply go ahead and open up your Discord app right over here. Once you have opened up your app, this is how the interface is gonna look like. Now you're gonna go ahead, tap in the friend of yours whom you would like to send out a voice message. Then you're gonna tap on this message icon, and now you have this little voice message icon, the microphone icon given in the bottom right corner. You just have to press it and you have to allow the access. Now you can just simply hold and simply record the voice message of yours and it will be sent. Now you can simply unsend it as well, and then it will be sent. You can do that as many times as you want, multiple times right over there, and that will how it will work out. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.